day she came in Dubai, that's when all her dreams got f***ed up.
Do you not watch it?
I have just bared witness to that porta potty video.
Oh my god.
Women let rich men poo in their mouths.
She jumps.
Just lets go and falls.
If you pimp, you have no choice, nothing. The only choice you have is to go outside and sleep with the men for money.
Why did they use that platform for negative stuff? Why didn't they use that just to ask why she died?
Sometimes I feel like maybe one day we will get a call from her.
She will tell me that never give up.